Class 5 Social Studies Term 2 Lesson number 1 The Mountains. Learning Objective. In this lesson, you will learn about mountain ranges, importance of the Himalayan ranges, and the life of the people in the mountains. Introduction. There are very high and long chain of mountains in the north and northeastern part of India. These are called as the Himalayan mountain ranges. Himalaya means the abode of snow. These mountain ranges are shaped like an arc and extend from the state of Jammu and Kashmir in the north to the Arunachal Pradesh in the east. Further, these high mountains turn southwards and are known as the Northeastern Hills. These hills are not very high. The Himalayas are the highest mountains. There are many high peaks which are under the snow and ice throughout the year. Mount Everest, 8,848 meters high, the world's highest peak, is in Nepal. Mount K2, named by Godwin Austen, is the second highest peak in the world and the highest peak in India. It is in the Karakoram range. Kanchenjunga, Nanga Parbat, and Nanda Devi are the other highest peaks of the Himalayas. These high mountains are attraction for the tourists. Many of them have tried to reach the top of these mountains but were unsuccessful. Finally, Tenzing Norgay, a Nepali Indian, and Edmund Hillary of New Zealand reached the top of the Mount Everest on May 29, 1953. Bachendri Pal was the first Indian woman to climb this peak in 1984. The Himalayas act as a wall along the northern boundary of India. It stretches for about 2,500 kilometers from east to west of northern India. The Himalayas are wider in Kashmir and narrow to the east. In the northeast, these mountains are much lower in height. The Naga, Garo, and Khasi hills are a part of these ranges. The Himalayas are the highest ranges of mountains in the world. Mountain ranges. The highest mountain ranges are in the northern part of Himalayas. These are called as Himadri or Great Himalayas. This range remains covered with snow throughout the year. There are many snow fields which give birth to glaciers. The glacier is a slow-moving river of ice. These glaciers are source of many Himalayan rivers like Indus, Ganga, Yamuna, Satluj, Kosi, and Brahmaputra. To the south of Great Himalayas, the mountains are not very high. These are called as Middle Himalayas or Himachal. Their height ranges from 3,500 to 5,000 meters from sea level. There are many low areas called valleys in these mountains. Rivers flow through these valleys. Orchards of plums and apples are common in these valleys. The slopes of the Himachal are covered with valuable forests of pine, willow, oak, and deodar. These slopes have many beautiful hill stations like Shimla, Mussoorie, Ranikhet, and Nainital. It also has holy places like Badrinath, Kedarnath, and Amarnath. Towards the south of Himachal, there are low mountains called the Shivalik Hills. The slopes of these hills are covered with thick and valuable forests which are full of animals. Life of the people. Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Sikkim, West Bengal, and northeastern states lie in the Himalayas. The geographical location and natural beauty of this region attracts tourists from all over the world. Jammu and Kashmir. The beauty of Jammu and Kashmir is well defined in history. Even the great Mughals called it as the heaven on the earth. Jammu and Kashmir has two capitals. Srinagar is the capital in the summer season and Jammu in the winter season. The main languages spoken here are Kashmiri, Dogri, Ladakhi, and Urdu. Kashmir is cool in summers and very cool in winters. The Kashmiris use kangri, a small pot with burning coal, to keep themselves warm. Men and women generally wear piran, a woolen garment, and salwar. The main festival celebrated here are Eid and Shivaratri. People drink ghawa, a special type of tea. During the summer season, most people work in the fields. They grow rice, maize, rajma, vegetables, fruits, and saffron. During the winter season, they stay at home and make handicrafts from wood and paper mache. Some weave silk and woolen clothes. The carpets and shawls of Kashmir are very famous. A lot of tourists visit temple of Vaishno Devi, Amarnath caves and Ladakh. Himachal Pradesh. The life of people in Himachal Pradesh is almost the same as in Kashmir. Most people are associated with farming activities. They grow rice, maize, barley, fruits, and vegetables. They care for cattle like sheep and goats. The capital city of the state is Shimla. The living conditions in Himachal Pradesh are diversified. It is well adjusted with the climatic conditions. Men and women wear tops and pajamas. Men wear embroidered caps. Women wear scarves called dhazu. Dashera is the popular festival of Kullu. Uttarakhand. Uttarakhand includes the Garhwal and Kumaon hills. Farming is the main economic activity of people. Mussoorie, Nainital, and Almora are popular hill stations. Other famous tourism and pilgrim places of Uttarakhand are Haridwar, Badrinath, Gangotri, Yamunotri, Kedarnath, and Ranikhet. Dehradun is the capital city of Uttarakhand. Sikkim. Sikkim is a small state and is located on high mountains and deep river valleys. The people here belong to three main tribes: Lepcha, Bhutia, and Nepali. The women wear boku and colorful jewelry made from beads. Sikkim is famous for orchids. Gangtok is the capital of the state. West Bengal. Darjeeling is a popular hill station. It has many tea gardens which produce tea of good quality. The main economic activity of the people is tea cultivation. Kolkata is the capital city of West Bengal. Northeastern states. The northeastern part of India has seven states. These are called the Seven Sisters. People in these states have their own customs, dresses, and languages. Most of them are famous as craftsmen. Arunachal Pradesh. It is the largest state in the northeast. However, it has less population. Itanagar is the capital city. People live in stilt houses. This protects them from rain and snakes. Brahmaputra River enters India through this state. Manipur. Farming and weaving are the main occupations of people in this state. They also make beautiful articles from bamboo, cane, and leather. Manipuri dance is the popular classical dance of the state. The capital of Manipur is Imphal. Meghalaya. It gets the heaviest rainfall in the country. The tribal people living here are from Garo, Khasi, and Jaintia tribes. They grow rice, jute, potatoes, sugarcane, pineapples, and oranges. Shillong is the capital city and a popular hill station. Mizoram. The word Mizoram means land of the hill people. Aizawl is the capital city. Agriculture is the main occupation of the people. Most Mizos know how to read and write. Most of them read English. Nagaland. Kohima is the capital of Nagaland. Rice, maize, millets, and oranges are grown here. The Nagas wear shawls of different designs. Naga people are accustomed of exposing their traditional culture on shawls. Assam. River Brahmaputra has made Assam land very fertile. Rice and jute are the main crops. Tea is grown on the lower slopes of the hills. Tezpur is the capital and Guwahati is the largest city. The people of the city speak Assamese. They celebrate Bihu. Tripura. It is surrounded by Bangladesh from three sides. Agartala is the capital city. Rice and jute are the main crops. Bamboo is grown. It is used to make handicraft items. The climate in the upper ranges is cold throughout the year. Tourists visit the hill stations in the summer. Importance of Himalayan mountain ranges. The Himalayan mountain ranges are useful for our country in many ways. Some of the uses are: they guard our northern borders. Passes and gaps in these mountains help in trading across the borders. They protect us from the very cold winds of the north. They check the monsoons coming from south and cause heavy rainfall. The Himalayan rivers are perennial. They never dry up, so canals are dug from them to water our farmland. The Himalayan forests provide timber, herbs, and other useful forest products. There are many wildlife sanctuaries in the Himalayan forests. Outline: the north and northeastern parts of India are covered by the arc-shaped Himalayan mountain ranges. The Himalayas have three main parallel ranges. The highest mountain ranges are called Himadri or Great Himalayas. To the south of Himadri is the Middle Himalayas or Himachal with several hill stations. To the south of Himachal are the Outer Himalayas or the Shivaliks with lesser height. These have a lot of wild animals. The Himalayan mountain ranges are useful for our country in many ways. The main occupation of people in this region is farming. Rice, maize, vegetables and fruits are grown mainly in this region.